I made over 50,000 naira trading gift cards right here in Nigeria, and I didn't need any special skills. The truth is, most people lose money doing this because they don't know the right method. If you are in Nigeria and looking for a legit way to make money online, this video will show you exactly how gift card trading works and how you can start saving. So here is how gift card trading works in the simple terms. You get gift card, be it Amazon, eBay, iTunes, etc. You use a trusted platform to trade. It is absolutely important to use a trusted platform and also use a trusted buyer. You look for the best available rate, and after trade you get your money instantly or within minutes. This is one of my recent trades. You will see how I converted the gift cards and got paid within minutes. This is actually very easy and simple to do once you understand the process. Before you initiate a trade, you must make sure to read the buyer's instructions. In this case, this buyer is a trusted buyer, so I didn't have to read any instructions. I simply just waited, and when he was ready, he requested for the physical card, which I sent to him, and I received my money almost immediately. Now let me be honest with you, a lot of people get scammed or lose money because they use the wrong platform, or they don't know the correct rates, or they rush into trade without proper understanding of the process. But there's a smarter way to do this that can actually increase your profit and reduce your risk, and that is what most beginners don't know. That is why I created a complete guide where I break everything down step by step, from the trusted platform to use, the best gift card to trade, how to avoid getting scammed, and how to maximize your profit. If you are serious about making money with gift cards, check the link in the description to get your ebook. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.